Hey everybody, it's your boy Chuck here with High Lonesome. We are going on the road. We're not playing any shows, but we are going camping for about 5 or 6 weeks. And once we get to our spot, say hey Lilybear. Once we get to our spot, we're going to be doing live streams. We're going to be going down to Durango. We are going to the Grand Canyon. Yeah, so just excited to share this trip with you guys. Durango, Grand Canyon, Sequoia National Park, Yosemite. We're going to be posting every day. Every Sunday, we're going to do a live stream at least. I'm going to be doing a lot of busking. Yeah, but this is going to be our chariot. We got the Subi all ready to go. Lilybear is going to do a bunch of driving for us. And anyway, we love you guys. Stay tuned.